How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So actually, you cannot withdraw money directly from your Phantom Wallet. So we need to log in, or you need to log into your Binance first. Make sure you have an account that's verified. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this deposit and then click this deposit crypto. So after you tap this, it will take you directly to this page, and all you have to do is to select a coin, select network, and the most important thing is you have to get your deposit address. So for select coin, you have to click Solana. And then for select network, you have to click this Solana again. And then for deposit address, we have it right here below. So what you're going to do here is to copy this link address, and we need to go to our Google Web Store and then add this Phantom wallet to your extension. So once you have added this Phantom wallet, you have to pin this one. Okay, you can pin this so that it would be easier for it to open. So once you've opened your Phantom wallet, you can now click this add new wallet or create new wallet, or if you have your account already, then you can just simply open this. Here, what you're going to do is to locate Solana, and then you just have to paste the address from Binance that you have copied. Okay, paste it right here, and then the amount. Then after that, you have to click next. And then once it is successful, then you will see this one sent, and received. So what you're going to do now, once you have successfully transferred this from your Phantom wallet, you can now go back to your Binance. And then this time, what you're going to do is to go to your dashboard. Now you can see the transaction below and the estimated balance right here. Okay, so you have your balance. Now what you're going to do next is if you want to withdraw this amount from your Phantom wallet to your Binance, what you're going to do is you have to add a payment method or payment account. So go to your dashboard, scroll down, and look for account right here. And then under account, you see this payment. And what you're going to do is to add a payment method or account here. So as you can see, there is this add a payment method. Tap this one, but you need to be fully verified first. And once you have verified your account, then you can add a payment. Now, if you want to convert your Solana to USDT, go to convert and block trade. And what you're going to do here is to tap this funding since we're going to get from your funds here. Okay, so here what you're going to do is select currency. You have to click the Solana, and then here you have to look for USDT. And then you have to enter the amount. After you enter the amount, review conversion, and then recheck it again. And then after that, click convert now. So as you can see, it is now successfully converted. So you can see here the Solana or amount of Solana that you have spent, inverse rate, okay, and then the rate also. Then after that, once you have successfully converted, then you can now go back to your Binance. Okay, so here you have to go to your overview and click this transfer right here. And then here you have to select this from fiat and spot to funding. Okay, so you have to change this one right here. Okay, and then make sure that this one is USDT and then enter the amount. Then that's it. You can now go back to your Binance, and if you want to sell your USDT, what you're going to do is, of course, you have to go to trade, go to P2P, and then this time you have to go and tap sell right here, and then look for USDT. Okay, choose the region, and then payments, and then tap this. And what you're going to do here is you just have to follow the instruction. And if you go to your payment and then added your payment account already, then it will be transferred directly to that payment account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.